Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to convert video into a GIF file, and it will be by using Canva, and it will be an quick and step-by-step breakdown tutorial. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see we are on our Canva dashboard. Here we need to choose a layout by using custom size, or you can click on here and you will need to search video. Once you click over here, now you will have the option here what kind of video do you want. So I want landscape video, that's why I will choose this one. Once I choose here, then I need a video over that place. So I am going to search the video template will be barista, and let's search it over here. So here we don't have any desired video, so I'm going to search over here, and let's click here, and this video might be perfect for my using. So now our work has been done here. So we need to be split it, like we need to be select a segment, then we can allow to use this as like I can say GIF file. So here I am going to select this one, then click on split size, and now I will delete rest of them, and then our eventual work has been done. Now we need to be download it is as a zip file. So that for reason I'm going to click on share. Once I click on share, then we have an option for download, and here you can see this is the main thing. So here we need to be change our file type. Here you will find out this GIF file, and now you need to be download it. Once you complete the download, then you can eventually see the result, how the GIF really work and what is the GIF. So let's see it. So finally you can see our video or our GIF file has been downloaded over that place. So I'm going to play it. Just click over here the GIF, and it will be play in this option. So you can see that our GIF has been done and it is working perfectly. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.